if you watched yesterday's daily pack opening, I opened this pack of Inferno X. And I pulled this. My secret rare. Hopefully this doesn't, screw up the chance of me pulling another secret rare. Like the Charizard SAR. Or Oricoro. With that being said, let's open this white flare. Because pulling that secret rare just killed my mood. So let's hope we can pull a monochrome or something good from this pack. Oh my gosh, a Vanillite. And the last card is a Zoroark Hollow. Thank you, White Flare. You cheered me up.